get PDW Gold, I would get the SMG's Platinum, and that would be my first Platinum skin. So let's just hop right into it. You need to get 40
Target's
kills.
inside.
Just play it normally because we are not at
Hard
least
point
just
is
get
ours. We've taken the lead.
how to do the no attachment to
Hard point contested.
Please,
Hard
boy.
point contested. Hostiles have the hard point.
Okay, we have sweats in the lobby though. I got a 45 kills without the attachments. I thought this would be the right time to record it.
Hard
But
point locked
apparently
down.
45. That's the number of kills we get. Dude,
Tied for the lead.
these guys are not
Hard
even
point
letting me a
contested.
single kill.
Hostiles have captured the hard
Chat.
point.
What is 45 plus 4? 49. What? That guy just spawned right.
Hard
Wait,
point
this
is
guy
ours.
made it. Okay, that's what
Enemy contact.
the
Hard
current
point contested. Hard
Yes,
point
sir.
lost.
50.
Reloading.
51,
Cover me.
boy.
Hard point
51,
locked
and these
down.
guys are camping in.
Hard point contested.
51.
Hostiles have the hard point.
So hard. This gun is so bad. 52.
Hard point identified.
52. What just hit me, ladies and gentlemen?
Hard point is ours.
What just hit me? They're on 52. I can't see. I can't find it. But, oh my
Target's
god.
inside.
Oh my
Hostiles
god.
have captured the hard point.
I got shot.
Recon standing by.
54.
UAV recon is standing by.
That's what I'm thinking. Just get kills. Just get kills.
Hard point locked down. Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is ours.
Mag.
What kind of spray is that?
Hard point lost.
I died. Why are they always like united, chat? I can't even shoot a single person, dude. If they're like this. They make a run for me. Of course. Should I grab spike them, dude? They're gonna die
Contact with it.
Hard
group
point
of birds.
identified.
Not the right place, but we got the... How did that guy kill me? I'm having an SMG and that guy's having a freaking AR. That just someone explain me it did. I don't know how I died like that. At least now could I win it? Yep, I could. This,
Be
okay.
advised, hostiles
I
have
don't
captured
care how much person did, just give me the platinum. What? I'm gonna smash my phone. Dude. Stop phone. Don't you dare mess with me now, bro. Don't you dare. Teammates, sorry, enemy teammates, can you please die?
I got.
I wanna call you guys enemy teammates, not enemies. Dude, just freaking die, bro. Why would you need to fight me like that? I'm sad, bro. I'm inside, man. Oh my gosh, teammate, you freaked me out. Shoot,
Need backup.
they're keeping sentries, man. These guys are freaking sweats, dude.
Reloading. Cover me.
Got one.
hard point locked down.
Got two.
I got shot.
I tell you, got three, got three, got
Training
four.
orders.
Reloading. Cover me.
Got five.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
I need to get the kill.
It's up to you.
I need to play this match for gold.
Hard point is ours.
Oh my gosh. This is freaking intense. We got 24 kills.
Hard point lost.
It's not that bad. Better days coming. Yeah, I'm done. How laggy is this, man? We only 20 did. Oh my gosh, I'm done. If I don't get this time, I'm quitting God.
Need backup. I got shot.
Yeah, but getting yoinkers in chat,
Hard
dude.
point is ours.
Yoinkers.
I got shot.
Hostile control.
Okay, guys, how's that guy still alive? Let's talk. How's that guy alive? Oh my god, how did he kill me that? Let's be honest here. You guys, God, gods, please. If I don't get this time, I'm gonna smash my... Guys, if we get it, this is the most satisfying. I want to screenshot it. I want to screenshot. Bad. So bad. But I am at. I think I'm in the... Okay. Okay, buddy. Oh my gosh. I don't think I got this done. I really don't think I would get this time, but let's see. If we get it, we are random chat.
Poor execution out there. Mission profile failed.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Skip. Continue. Let's go! Chat, let's go, dude. Let's freaking go, chat. We got all SMGs platinum, dude. I'm done, bro. We got all SMGs platinum. Let's go. I just check them. Look at this, chat. I told you guys that this is my last SMG to get gold. So, guys, you guys kind of need to hit the subscribe button. I got like all the SMGs platinum. So, see you guys next time.